Hi everyone, welcome back to Get Updated Now, and today we are in Al Buraimi, which is in Oman. So it is an oasis town and a wilaya, a province on the border between Oman and UAE. So usually people go here for shopping and they come here to, even if they want to go to the UAE, they can pass through Buraimi. But we are here for the caffeine cup, which we heard a lot about. So we thought, why not give it a try? So here we are, and this is how you order. So first, the most difficult part is you choose what you really want, because coffee is coffee and you enjoy all kind of coffee. So I thought of going for V60 first, but then I went for matcha latte. Now he's already preparing something, let's see what, for some other customer there. It looks like he's making something cold. Yeah, so there's milk, ice, and a shot of coffee, I guess. All right, now here's the other coffee that's happening. Yeah, coffee happens, I feel. So there they have a map of coffee belt where they are showing places where you can get coffee from, or they buy coffee from probably, or where coffee grows. So here you see what's happening, and there he's pouring hot water in freshly grounded coffee. So we are waiting and we're watching. So what do you say, is this matcha or it's coffee? Now if you look at this, the t-shirt of the other guy who was doing the coffee, it says specialty coffee. Which is the best, right? So here he got us, yeah, so this one, he's making our coffee. So this is what they do to get a good design. They throw a little bit of froth. And here is the matcha latte. So I like this part, it's easy to wash and easy to rinse. So here we got our coffee, and then we're ready to go. This is Americano or V60, I guess. Yeah, the V60. So we ordered two, so I can enjoy the long drive ahead.